Welcome to PSpice tutorial 1. In this lecture we will discuss about how to install and run PSpice simulation tool. PSpice, full from the PSpice, PC version simulation program for integrated circuit emphasis. PSpice is a general purpose analog circuit simulator that is used to verify circuit designs and to predict the circuit behaviors. Mainly, PSpice is used to simulate analog circuit, digital circuit, mixed signal circuit. Now, let us go for how to download PSpice 9.1 version. It is the mainly student version, and how to install it and run it in our PC. First, we will download the PSpice 9.1 version from the Google search engine. This first open the Google page, then is the searching the PSpice link. Click on this link, then click on the PSpice link on this link, then download locally. This click on the download locally. It is actually free version student 9 free version for student 9.1, and this file size is the 27.9 or approx 28 MB. Now first click on the download. After few seconds download 27 MB already downloaded. We'll go to the file location. So in the folder, so already downloaded. First we copy from this download location, paste on the desktop, this folder, and this is the zip folder. First extract this zip folder, extract here, total 18 file extract here. Here is the one setup file. So we install the PSpice tool. First click on, double click on the setup file, then give the permission. Yes, page is the open. There is the given the permission antivirus can use. First click on OK, then administration permissions, yes, then click on the capture and schematic, then next, then click on next, and select the PSpice student. This is the default setting. This next, also next, then file extension registration also okay, then in the view release note, this is the unselect here, then finished. Okay, that is the completed. Now we open the PSpice simulation tool. First start menu, open the PSpice. This is the PSpice student version. First open the Spice design manager. So open the PSpice design manager. Next the schematic window. Open the schematic windows. This is our schematic windows. Then click on the file location. This is the file. Save as location, suppose desktop. In the PSpice tool, suppose test 1 circuit, test 1, and this location file will be saved, test 1. Next, how to take the part, means the how to take the component and how to design the circuit. First we take the one comparator circuit. There is the required one op-amp and two input source and one output source. First we will take the part, get a new part. There is the component, analog component 5 volt, digital component 7400. This is the 740 and NAND gate. This is the 7404 NOT gate. The different components are available. We search the part name, suppose op-amp. Design the comparator circuit, so require the op-amp, search the op-amp. This is the op-amp is the coming. There is the click on place, this click, left click on, and remove escape button is the finish. Okay, then require the two supply voltage. This is the VDD. Search on the part name VDD. This supply is gone. Place part not found. VDC place. To in non-inverting terminal on voltage source and inverting terminal another voltage source. Then is the click on the ground. Record the two ground. Part name GND, and then is the click on the place. There is the one is the ground, here is the another ground. Output terminal also record the another ground. Then record the one register, load register, record the R, place register, control R, this is the rotate, escape, then and this bottom, close this windows, close this part. Then we connect the wire. This is the wire connection. This is the draw wire connection. Take the wire on left click. This is the click left, and then is the complete the left. Completed. This is the voltage source negative terminal to ground. This is the click on here and click on the ground terminal. Also completed. This is the output to terminal 2 connected the register terminal. This is the left click. This is the completed. Complete the connection is the completed. Then we maintain the level. Suppose output terminal is connected the mention the level. Here you double click on this wire. Level means this is the write the output out. Okay. This output terminal mention the out. Suppose in non-inverting terminal input is the mention input 1. Double click on this wire. This in 1. And inverting terminal input we write the into suppose level in 2. Okay. Next we put the voltage. This is the V2 and V1. Both voltage is 0 volt 0 volt. How to put this voltage? Suppose on this 0 volt we click double click on this. There is the put 1 volt. Okay. Here also V2. Suppose that there is the apply the large voltage. Suppose 1.25 volt. Double click on this 0 volt. This is put the 1.5 volt. Okay. We put this two voltage. Next we will save this circuit. This is the save button. Save on this circuit. Next we will run this circuit. How we will run it? Suppose we analysis the transient analysis. First the setup the analysis. Suppose click on the setup analysis. Setup analysis, this is the transient analysis. Different type of analysis is it possible. Different type, AC sweep analysis, Monte Carlo analysis, DC sweep analysis, parametric analysis, temperature analysis. Different type of analysis is possible. But we analyze only transient analysis. Click on the transient and mention the transient time. How many time we analyze it? Double click on the transient. Suppose 100 nanosecond. We put the suppose 1 millisecond. Put 0 to 1 millisecond. Pin step starting 0 nanosecond and final time is the 1 millisecond. Okay. Then close this window. Then run this simulation. We click on this run this simulation. If the circuit not completed, there show the some error. If no error, then automatic run. So click on this button. Okay, run completed. But here is a no waveform come. So mention the marker. Suppose which portion you will take the output. So is the marker, put the marker. So this is the marker button. Click on the marker and mark the voltage level. Then click on this button and this button and output. We check the actually input 1, input 2 and output. Then we escape. Okay. Then again run simulation, simulate. Okay. this output will come. This V out, this is the green color is the V out, this portion is the source, and blue color is the V in 1, and red color is the V in 2. In color V in 1 is the actually in our circuit V in 1 is the, this is the non-inverting input, and V in 2 equal to inverting input. So we check our simulation. V in 2 equal to green color, blue color is the in 1 non-inverting input, and red color is the inverting input. So this comparator circuit just show the positive saturation voltage 15 volt. So actually here confusion, what is the parts voltage? The op-amp then do not put the voltage externally. The internally connected the voltage source. So we check the voltage, how many voltage here. So double click on this part. This part name is the op-amp. V positive voltage plus 15 volt and V negative voltage minus 15 volt. So this is the internally connected. So positive saturation voltage will be plus 15 volt, negative saturation voltage will be minus 15 volt. So this is the inverting non-inverting voltage getter. So output voltage will positive saturation. So the plus 15 volt. Okay. So our circuit in this lecture we learn how to install in this circuit PSpice tool, and how to run this circuit comparator circuit. Okay, thank you.